Okay, so the weather today is not great. We've just done a repair for a customer on his Mini 4 Pro, and we are just going to quickly test it and make sure. Sorry, it's very cold, so I've got my jacket blocking my my camera here. Alrighty, let's have a look.
Take off.
Okay. Okay, let's see. It's such a difficult area this to fly in because there's so much happening. Let's see. Alrighty, so yeah, what we did here was we just did a PTZ replacement. The camera had a bit of damage on it, and so all we had to do was just take care of that PTZ replacement and then a rubber replacement. So we're testing it just to make sure there's no vibration or anything funny on the camera.
Point updated.
All right, satellite works well. The GPS was also disconnected. So we just come out here and we just test it quickly, make sure that everything is good, so that when we return it to our customer and he doesn't live in our area and we ship it back, that he doesn't have to send it back and forth. So that's the biggest thing, you know. We want to make sure that we make these repair processes as easy as possible. So one way that you can quickly find out if there's any problems with the camera or the rubbers that you've installed is when you zoom in. It's nice and stable. Even when it's very windy today, you can see, well, not very windy, but it's windy. You can see the trees are moving. So if we were going to see any issues on movement, we were going to definitely see it by now. So very, very stable. Definitely no issues there. So I would say that's a successful repair, and we can now contact the client and tell him that his drone is ready and we can get it off to him. So if you need any repairs, give us a shout. We'll take care of it. We'll test it. We'll make sure you're up and flying in no time. Right? Let's get this baby boxed and ready to go off to its owner for more flying. There we go. Right, guys, that's a quick demonstration of how we test our repairs. And if you need any help, we are right here in Durban. We can collect from anywhere in South Africa. UAVGEAR drones, B Block 2A. We're here to help you. Give us a shout whenever you guys need anything. We will definitely get you sorted out. We are quick, we are efficient, and we're affordable. So give us a shot. We'll get you up and running in no time.